Hello everyone, welcome to our discussion today. You might be wondering, do I need a web developer to maintain my website? It's a question that many website owners ask, especially those who are new to the digital world. A website, like any other digital asset, requires regular upkeep. This includes updating content, ensuring your site is secure, and making sure it's optimized for search engines. If you're technically inclined, you might be able to handle some of these tasks yourself. However, there are also more complex issues that can arise. For instance, if your website crashes or if there's a bug that needs fixing, it can be incredibly helpful to have a web developer on hand. They have the technical skills and expertise to solve these problems quickly and effectively.
Furthermore, web developers can help keep your website up to date with the latest trends and technologies. This can be crucial for staying competitive in the digital landscape. They can introduce new features, improve the user experience, and make your website more appealing to your target audience.
So, to answer the question, do I need a web developer to maintain my website? The answer is, it depends. If you're comfortable handling the day-to-day tasks and minor issues, you might not need one. But for more complex problems and to keep your website at the cutting edge, a web developer can be a valuable asset. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, whether you choose to hire a web developer or not, maintaining your website is crucial to its success. Stay tuned for more discussions like this, and have a great day.